Hey guys, welcome. So today is Friday the 13th actually. So October 13, 2023. Sama kayo, magka-camping kami. Punta kami sa Goliad State Park. Siguro yung last camping namin dito, 5 years ago. Ito magka-camp kami with Trail Life. So Trail Life yung parang Boy Scout na ni AJ. Boy Scout na Christian. Okay? So, dadating kami doon ng 7. Alas 4 sarado na yung opisina. So, didiretso na kami sa campsite. Ayan, mataas pa yung araw. 5:42 PM. Didiretso na kami sa campsite. Tapos, magsiset up. And then, tomorrow morning na lang kami magre-register. Anyway, wala naman kaming babayaran kasi meron akong state park pass annual. Kaya kita nyo, diba, last week galing kami doon sa Galveston. Wala na akong binayaran doon. So, tara. Okay guys, we're almost there. It's 7:04.
Pagkaraan ng kalahating milya, kumanan.
We're here. Wake up. Welcome. Gate lock. 10 PM.
Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
Office is closed. Okay, we'll just come back tomorrow. The office. Longhorn camping area. Go down. Yes, is the group. Okay, where can we park? Just Ryan. Okay. Hi guys, we're here, so we need to set up our tent before it gets dark. I'll probably set it here. You're too close. Okay. Hi guys, dinner time. I just heated the meat that I got from Michoacana. It's a Hispanic restaurant, and heated the rice. I did not put much light because of the insects, so I just put one over there. Insects. Okay guys, dinner na kami. Una ang plano ko, mag-sandwich lang kami. Sabi ko kasi nagmerienda na kami ng pizza sa bago kami malis eh. Kaso ginutom ako ngayon pag set up. Tsaka syempre yung almost 3 hours na driving. First night rice with beef, I don't know, binili ko lang yan sa Michoacana eh. Ininit ko lang. Kasi tomorrow breakfast sagot ng ng troop. Lunch magluluto ako. Tapos dinner sagot ulit ng troop, nag-ambaga na ng $20. Okay guys, day 1. Going to sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, 8 a.m. going to the office. It's going up, 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 up. Up. And the restroom is over there. It's cold. Go to the office. Park headquarters. Hello. So we came in yesterday.
And last night?
It's under a group campsite, Ryan Wilson.
Do you know which site number you're in?
No. Okay guys, nabayaran na namin yun. Hindi naman namin nabayaran, napag-register na kami. Ngayon nakita lang kami ng breakfast. Ito, jacket, ang lamig. Sakto pala yung dating namin. Yesterday, medyo mainit pa. Ngayon, bagsak 60 degrees kanina umaga. And then yung campfire, that's the car. Water's over there. Okay, dito kami sa harap ng bonfire. Lalaro ng mga bata. Tuwa naman ako sa binili ko kahapon sa Costco na pants, parang jogger. Stretch siya na manipis. Sakto pang malamig na eh.
They put some shells in.
This giant picture that we made like Barbie.
Say hi. Expedition. Tent and tent. Our tent over there. Prepare food. AJ is way over there. Let's go. Let's say a prayer before we eat. Come on. Put that like up against our... Hi guys, Saturday morning breakfast. Mine is orange juice, his is apple. Okay, I bought this from Amazon. Fishing rod. Got this. Okay. Huh. Let's go fishing. This is the, there you go, one down. Okay. Come on. Okay guys, na-set up ko na yung pinaka-paborito kong camping chair. Actually, swing to eh. Sarap matulog. So, ganito ang nangyari, no? Late na ako natulog kagabi, 11. Tapos na si AJ gumising pa ng 3 o'clock. Madaling araw, no? Kasi yung flashlight, naubusan na ng battery. Eh eto, pag namatay ang ilaw talaga nagigising to. Tapos nagsisisigaw. Sabi, where's the light? Where's the light? What is that? What is that? Ito tinuturo niya yung kadiliwa. What is that? What is that? I can't do it, Dad. Sabi niya, I need the light. Hindi siya makatulog pagka patay ilaw. Tapos siya, nung binuksan ko yung isang ilaw, nakatulog agad siya. Ako, hindi ako makatulog. Siguro mga 30 minutes pa. Mag-aalas 4 na ako nakatulog. Tapos nagising ako 7:30. Tapos biglang dumating na yung cold front dito. Lumamig na. Alas 7, 60s eh. 62. Tapos high of 82 lang ngayon buong araw. Sabihin pinakamainit 82. Ngayon magla-lunch time na. I don't know kung 82 to kasi malamig pa rin yung hangin. Sarap matulog. Ako naririnig yung hangin. Okay, we're going to hike with the group. Going to the picnic area.
Do they actually fly? Yeah, they fly. What color is the shirt? He's wearing like camo pants and I think it's trail light green shirt.
Heard of Ironclad? The diabolical.
It's another campsite. Oh, look at the dog, AJ. AJ, look at the dog. Yeah, they said they sold out of day passes. Oh, yeah, okay. The number, too many people want a day pass. Oh, come to
He's in Ezra.
So we're here. I didn't know there's an eclipse. Okay guys, di ko alam may eclipse pala today. Na sold out daw ng State Park yung day pass nila. So buti pala andito kami. Okay guys, I didn't know there's an eclipse today. And they said that the State Park sold out their day pass today.
I don't know, and I don't see anything.
Okay guys, it's starting. The eclipse is starting. solar eclipse. It's there, AJ. Oh, it's moving. Come on, it's moving. It's there. It's moving.
It's moving.
It's gone.
Back.
You see it, AJ? It's down to the right. There you go. There you go.
Let's look at it together.
It's back.
Okay guys, ngayon ako nag-enjoy sa mga eclipse, no? Iba yung eclipse na lumabas ka lang ng bahay, tapos iba yung pinaghanto, tapos marami kang kasama na naabangan din. And then hindi ko dala yung sunglasses ko, buti nagbigay sila sa akin ito. And provided by the troop. Solar eclipse na. Kitang kita yung yung moon, tinatakpan niya yung sun. You see it? There you go. AJ, that's it. It's a perfect. Yeah. No, you gotta burn your eyes. No, just use your phone. No, it's going to the light. The ring of power. Okay, that's the ring of. You see it? It's going to the right. It's going to the right. It's perfect. Oh. Nice. Looks really good. Alright guys, we're going back to the camp. This is the first time I've enjoyed watching or observing the eclipse because of the group of people I'm with, and we're ready for it. Isa pa pala na-observe ko guys, no? Nung nag-eclipse, nag-drop yung temperature. May ihi ka sa lamig eh. Okay guys, for lunch, luluto na ako, no? Kanin syempre, rice is life. Meron kaming 1 hour daw, sinabihan ako ng troop master kasi meron kaming guided tour sa mission. Okay, so sila kumakain na sila yung mga sandwich. Ayan, luluto tayo ng kanin. Tapos syempre longganisa. Pinag-iisipan ko pa ako magluluto ng itlog kasi si AJ paborito nito itlog eh. May itlog ako dyan, 3 pa, or mag-open ako ng tuna. Magandang combination yun eh. So let's see. This is the guided tour.
He was the one that got lost and ended up in Spanish-held territory. Sent a red flag up to the Spanish, and that's when Mission Espiritu Santo. So what What do you think the Karankawa did to the French?
Start war.
So the Karankawa natives did not have cannons.
Start
Yeah,
war.
well, no, I don't know that they were known for scalping, but they did kill.
All your mom. All of it through.
Like the property that's on that side is all privately owned. It doesn't belong to the park yet. You say yes. All right, so now that we're up here. There's another one you can look at, and it'll show you the shadow. Some of you. Come on in. Make sure you pay attention to that office right there. All right, come on in.
And
DJ.
they would that is also for sharpening the tool. They would spin it and they would put the tool there.
Yes.
And was one they want to put it very.
We are gonna go. Kiddos, you all want to come up here? Yeah, the parents are like, no, baby, get down on that floor.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Okay guys, 6 o'clock. Pakita ko yung camp setup namin. So, ito paborito ko itong lutuan kasi maliit lang siya. And dalawang camp chairs. And ito, lounge chair. Mura ko lang nabili. Dalawa yan eh. Hindi ko pa lang nabubuksan yung isa. Ito, gamit na gamit ko rin to, aluminum table. Kailangan mo na aluminum table pag may papano ka mainit, syempre. So hindi pwede mga plastic. Stool. Pag nagluluto ako, nag-iihaw, kailangan mo ng stool. Dala akong firewood. Ito yung collapsible na bucket para may tubig ako. Hugasan. Cooler, Arctic. And ang gamit kong tent, itong Magellan Bastrap 5. So 5 for 5 people to, ha? 5 people. So yun sa nagtatanong, nagka-camping, kung dalawa kayo, bibili yung tent yung good for 4, good for 5. Huwag kayong bibili ng good for 2. Kasi binibilang nila yung nakahigang tao eh. Wala na talaga kayong space. Yan si AJ tutulog. Buti naman nag-nap siya dito. Meron akong bag na mga camping stuff. Mga flashlight, kordon, tali, yan, andyan yan. Ito yung rechargeable ko na lamp. Ito, di baterya na lamp. Pag tinaas mo, yan. Pag tinaas mo, iilaw. Sinara mo, ganyan. 500 watt hour battery pack. Sobra-sobra to. For 3 days. Tapos, cellphone lang, tsaka ano, ilaw, charge. So, may ilaw na ako dito, di ba? Ito. Naglagyan ko ng hook para sumabit kahit saan. Okay, ingay ng mga puti. Ito, rechargeable fan. Maganda dito kasi dual siya. Fan tsaka ilaw. So ito yung ilaw. Puti. Tatlong settings. Ito naman yung yellow. 1, 2, 3. Tapos ito yung fan. Pipihitin mo lang. Ayan na. So, palagi ko na itong dadalhin. 2 beses ko pa lang siya nagagamit. Pangalawa ngayon. Very effective. Books. Wala yung dadalang books. Wala akong time magbasa. Sidney Sheldon. Pinakaunang Sidney Sheldon na nabasa ko. Nakahanap ako ng hard paperback. Hardback. Ito, sulit na rin to. Ilang beses ko na ito nagamit. Yan, nasira na nga eh. Solar light. Maganda to kasi. So, hanggang sa maubos yung ilaw niya, okay lang. Cha-charge mo na lang sa dashboard ng kotse. Okay, I think that's basically it. Kaya nga, itong bus strap pa ginagamit ko ngayon kasi kasya yung 2 cut. 1, 2. So, pag may cut kayo, yan, may foam dapat para komportable kaya sarap matulog. Nagdala rin ako ng isang sleeping bag. Kasi alam ko lalamig dito ngayon nag 60s kaninang umaga, kahapon 72 lang eh, pero mas malamig ngayong gabi. Ayan, sleeping bag. Tapos tunay na unan ang dinadala ko, hindi yung mga inflatable na unan, mas komportable. And pag mainit, malisangan, yan, pwede mo ibaba yung mga screen para may hangin. Pero ngayon walang problema nga dahil malamig since this morning. So yan, nabababa rin. Tsaka ito. So yan lang. Ito loob ng namin, ng tent. So for 5 person to Tama-tama lang sa amin ni AJ. 2 cot at space para sa mga gamit.
Witness the works of your hands as you move the heavens and earth literally, and we just thank you that we got to be witnesses.
Oh,
AJ, look at me.
yeah, strong that way. Help.
Alright guys, woke up like this. Time to pack up. Morning of Sunday. Alright, to wear my jacket. Alright guys, time to go. That's our campsite. AJ is ready to go. Let's go. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, before we leave, just want to show you. So we camp over there. This is our group site. Water only. Water over there, water over there. Okay, let me just show you the water, the river. Fire pit. Oh, here kids.